Alright, folks. Okay, everybody, thanks for clicking the play button. No, Stubbs. Alright, here's what's freaking me out, you guys, is I've been having a little knee pain and a little neck pain, so I used a little bit of this Icy Hot Advanced Relief, and ow! Now my cat is freaking going crazy for my leg. Get away from me. Look at this. Oh my God. I don't know if this stuff has like the essence of catnip in it or something, but man, I'm telling you, he's like wowing out. Stubbs, Chalk, quit tearing up at the carpet. And he keeps biting me. There's something. No, Stubbs, no. Tickles, quit. This cat is attacking me, y'all. You're going to have to chill out. You're going to go live outside. Quit it. So, I just wanted you guys, he won't stop. He just wants my leg where the stuff is rubbed on me. Look, I'll move it all the way over here. Let's see what he does. He's coming back. No, Stubbs. I don't know. What do you think it is that's in the icy hot? Quit it. Oh my God. No, Stubbs. Y'all are probably laughing at this video, but I'm telling you guys that I gotta go take a shower and get this stuff off of me. My cat is coming for me now, dude. Alright. But this is already a minute and 30 seconds of him cutting, and he won't stop. Alright, I'm gonna try to leave him and see what he does. So, ow, I guess he wants to kill the vapor rub, or me, or he just loves it. But yeah, folks, beware. If you got a cat, ow, gosh, no, you're shredding me. If you got a cat like this, don't use the vapor rub. Are you seeing this, Angie? Oh, God, ow. Okay, you're going to have to chill out, dude.
He loves you.
I know he loves me. Ow. He's like biting me. And, oh, I've got my toes pulled back so far. Oh, no. Quit it. Alright, time to go take a shower. See you guys later. Stubbs, no. Okay, you guys, so I kicked this video back on because this is getting ridiculous. My leg that has the Icy Hot on it, which is this leg, I rubbed it on my knee and my shin and stuff. This cat will not let me put my leg down without attacking it. My other leg is down, and it's like where, I don't know if he keeps rubbing his face on the carpet, where maybe, I mean, it ain't like I was sloppy with it. I didn't get it on the carpet or nothing. It's just, I guess, from being on my clothing and then him rubbing all over it, maybe get on my sock, but he's down here. So we're gonna do, he's itching his ear. Oh, Stubbles, don't itch your ear so hard, buddy. We didn't rub nothing on him, folks, or anything like that, but okay, I'm gonna try to put my foot down, so we'll just see what happens. I knew it. Ow. I told you he's gonna bite me as soon as I put. Oh, it hurts though. I mean, don't get me wrong. Oh my God. A lot of you are probably thinking, oh, I'd kick that cat. Oh, this is my buddy. Ow, no. And he is not like this, folks. This cat never. No. You gotta quit. It's doubles. Damn. I don't want him to love it. I'm really gonna have to go take a shower and get that off of me. I don't want. Oh. Alright, get away. I'm gonna make you live outside. No. See, he ain't even concerned about my hand, really. I mean, just when I put it in the way, he gets it, but he wants to bite my feet. No! Stubbles. Chill out, dude. Calm down. Oh. That's really it, you guys. My cat is abusing the hell out of me. I'm gonna have to go and
over some Icy Hot.
I know, right? And there needs to be a warning on the back of the label. Oh my God, I can't believe I can. There is nothing on this box that says danger, your cat will tear your ass up. But, okay, chill out, Stubbles. No. He's like really getting into like attacking my foot. Now you're gonna have to chill out, Bubba. Alright. I know, but this is the end of the video. I'm not wanting my cat to be mean. Mr. Stubbos! No! Ah! Chill out, bud. What is your deal? Oh no. Okay, you guys, if anyone has ever seen their cat trip out because a little bit of, oh shoot, he's not really trying to hurt me. It's definitely like he's playing because of course, ow. Alright, this is really the end of the video. No, stop. Good job. But this is Mr. Stubbles, y'all. He's not a mean cat. This is the first time in his life he's ever got amped like this. He's usually Boss Fatty. Oh, lazy boy, but good Lord, it just makes him freak out. Sad to know, I can't even, it's like he wants it to be on him or rub, and then he fights it. Alright, chill out, Bubba. Chill out! That's the end of the video, folks, y'all. Like, comment, let me know what you think about this dastardly cat. Stubbs! I gotta go. He's trying to put me on the plate. Talk to y'all later. Bye.